Happy Sunday, South Africa. Today is 20th of February 2022 and here are the top 5 stories that have made headlines for today. This is truly the meaning of having a bad day. The left side of a Lamborghini Gallardo was torn asunder on Saturday morning, February 19th after a nasty collision with a truck in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal. Fortunately, no one was injured in the accident. KZN Private Security Company and Emergency Service Reaction Unit South Africa, RUSA, said its members were called to the R102 road near Phoenix at approximately 11:08 on Saturday morning. According to reports, a white Lamborghini and truck collided in the southbound lane of the road. Len CLOETE, the father of 7, shot by police at a lodge in Muldersdrift in November last year, is now recovering at home in a wheelchair. According to his wife, Chantel, the entrance to their home is blocked for the safety of their family. Len's right side is badly affected, but we are working on it. His left side is strong. He speaks a little words, but he will be in a wheelchair. He got hurt very badly. But I still believe by his stripes, God, he is healed. The road will be hard, but I have the best co-workers, friends or workers, a family that will support me and get Len to get strong again as possible. Please, I know everyone cares, but we all have to adapt to our new journey, and we all miss my husband and kids, their father. Everywhere we see his ghost body walking around, his energy was overwhelming. Former President of the Republic and the ANC, THABO MBEKI, is on a mission to renew the party he once led. MBEKI was deployed to the Free State this week to deal with factional battles in the province. While there, he has had plenty of unkind things to say about his party and its members. But with a leadership challenge looking set to face Cyril Ramaphosa at the party's National Elective Conference in November, can MBEKI fix the divide? Like most parts of the ANC, the party's Free State branches are divided. The province is facing leadership battles after a court order disbanded the elected structures. What's fueling the divisions? Suspended ANC Secretary-General Ace Magashule is from the province. His future hangs in the balance as his own criminal trial is set to finally get properly underway. MBEKI is seen as the man to heal the political wounds. But he certainly isn't mincing his words. Ashley Oosthuizen, 22, from George in the Western Cape was arrested by Thai police in October 2020 and sentenced to death, which has since been commuted to life imprisonment for drug smuggling. Her family and friends believe she is innocent. Her American boyfriend, 35, has come forward to say that the drugs Oosthuizen was arrested in connection with belonged to him. In a lengthy statement, he detailed how he ran a drug operation on the island without her knowledge. A website, which details Oosthuizen's ordeal, has appeared and it is believed that the boyfriend set it up. It's happened again. The prolific rabble-rousers have got themselves kicked out of another council meeting this week after EFF representatives were accused of disrupting proceedings in Mfuleni. However, that's only half the story. The ejection was followed by scenes of outright, unabated chaos. Security guards faced an almighty challenge to escort the troublemakers outside of the venue, and all hell broke loose shortly afterward. On top of the scuffles, all sorts of items were thrown towards the guards and the main doors of the Mfuleni Council. Tables, chairs, and pretty much anything that wasn't bolted to the floor took flight, as the irate politicians caused a disgraceful scene. It's understood some DA members were also caught up in the conflict. This is Leah for the South African.